लोकसभा चुनाव के बीच मोदी सरकार ने 2019 में अपना सबसे बड़ा चुनावी वादा पूरा किया। नागरिकता संशोधन अधिनियम यानी सीएए को अधिसूचित करने के कुछ समय के बाद केंद्र सरकार ने दिल्ली में 14 लोगों को नागरिकता प्रमाण पत्र सौंप दिया है। आधिकारिक तौर पर वो अब भारतीय नागरिक बन गए हैं।
ममता बनर्जी जो हैं वो हर एक रैली में कहती हैं कि सीए का फॉर्म मत साइन कीजिए, आपको नागरिकता नहीं मिलेगी। और आप कहते हैं कि डरना नहीं चाहिए। सत्य
देखिए, आज ही मैं आपको एडवांस में समाचार दे रहा हूं। दिल्ली में प्रथम 300 लोगों को नागरिकता मिलने जा रही है। सीए देश का कानून है स्मिता जी, और इसको इस तरह से झुठलाया नहीं जा सकता। जो हिंदू, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन, क्रिश्चियन भारत, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश और अफगानिस्तान से आए हैं, वो सारे लोग 2014 के पहले जो शरणार्थी बनकर आए, उनका अधिकार है, डॉक्यूमेंट हो न हो उनको नागरिकता मिलेगी।
Well, it has been a very, very contentious issue, as you very well know. It was in December of 2019 that we had seen the CA, of course, being passed by the Parliament. And of course, since then, a number of protests that had taken place in different parts of the country, including in the national capital, for several weeks following that. And we have seen the kind of response that took place. Now, while the government had time and again said that the rules would be notified, the actual notification happened only about a month ago. The deadline was extended time and again by the union government, and finally, with that notification happening, this kind of certificates being given could only take place in such a situation. Now that has actually happened on ground, with the Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla having given those certificates of citizenship. The Union Home Minister also referring to it that this is now the law of the land, and this kind of citizenship under CAA to prevent persecution of those religious minorities in our three neighboring countries will now be given, and this is very much part of what we have promised. Now, clearly, of course, as you say, this is a politically contentious issue. You have several opposition political parties who have pointed out that this is a law that is discriminatory in nature. Of course, the government has been at pains to explain that this is not discriminatory against any Indian minority community, because it only is a way to provide citizenship to those persecuted minorities in our three neighboring countries. Nevertheless, it has been a hugely contentious law. There's no doubt about the fact that this could come up through the course of the poll campaigning as well. And of course, opposition political parties who have consistently opposed the CAA are now, of course, with the actual certificates being given, what will they have to say as far as this particular law is concerned? Remember, we have seen rhetoric of undoing all of this that has come in from different opposition parties in the past. Now, with the actual certificates being given out, what would they have to say, of course, is very, very significant. We have seen, of course, several comments coming in already where they are opposed to this particular handing over of certificates, saying that the law, of course, they believe is discriminatory in nature, and certainly, of course, expected to be a very key issue as far as the Lok Sabha poll is concerned, given that 3 phases of polling are still left to be completed.